Hmong National Development Conference here in Minneapolis. I am about 20 minutes away. Today's the first day of the session. It's like the welcome session slash what the event is gonna look like and everything like that. I've heard such great things about this conference. This is the 50th anniversary. I'm excited to take you guys along. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog, and I don't know how much I can vlog, but I'm really excited to experience this. I know that it's something that's really important to our community, and obviously for growth and leadership opportunities, as well as just networking, to be honest. As I'm really trying to expand Hmong Women Thriving, I just know that these types of opportunities are going to be really good for me. So let's get going. Hi! Wanted to pop in and share my thoughts on the color analysis that I got done with Riley & Co. with KB. She is a Hmong woman-owned small business, and gosh, that was such a fun experience. I went in with my friend Charlotte. KB was having a kind of intro sale as she just recently opened her small business, and Charlotte and I decided to go together, which was a really fun experience. I felt like I learned a lot about myself, and actually Charlotte and I were talking about this, and it's crazy because I don't think I've ever sat in front of a mirror and looked at myself that long. Obviously when you're doing makeup and everything like that, you're fixing your imperfections and whatever, right? But as they're draping the colors over you, all you're doing is kind of just looking at yourself and trying to see what looks good on you, what doesn't look good on you, and you're literally just looking at yourself and looking at the color. And so I thought it was such an interesting experience. I felt so empowered when I left the session. I felt like, oh my gosh, I know myself a little better now. I'm gonna be able to shop for myself a little better now. Charlotte and I were joking around, we're oh my gosh, shopping spree! We're gonna be able to play with colors and texture and all of those things. So it was such an amazing experience, and I feel like if you guys have the funds and are able to, I would totally recommend going to go see KB and support her small business and just learn a little bit more about yourself, because that was such a fun experience. After the session, I went to the store real quick, and I was looking through stuff, and I was oh, is this in my color palette? And KB sends out your own little digital pocket guide that you can obviously reference back to and everything like that. So yeah, I was looking through the colors, and I'm oh, this is similar to this color. And so it's just obviously being a lot more mindful about what looks good on me. And I obviously want to put a disclaimer, take it with a grain of salt. Like, you can wear whatever you want, you can wear anything you want, right? But it's obviously good to know like what colors suit me best, like what doesn't make me look so pale and like sickly, or like what makes me look more youthful and more like awake and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's such a amazing experience and I don't regret it at all. I would totally recommend you go get your color analysis done because it's such a interesting perspective to like look at yourself at. So yeah, just wanted to share my afterthoughts and everything like that. I am coming on today because I am graduating. Junior and I are graduating both this spring, and it's just a very exciting achievement. We both have been working tirelessly very hard on this, and it just feels so surreal that it's happening now, you know. So I am graduating next week, May 3rd, and it's like just coming up so fast. So I have a lot of prepping and a lot of preparing to do, and I wanted to take you guys along. I am decorating my cap today. I just went to Michael's and bought all of the stuff, and I wanted to document it. My mom got us Hmong sashes for our cap and gown like photos and stuff like that. So this one is mine. Obviously it is pink and it is so beautiful. There are these like dangling pieces that I just like am so obsessed with, and this is what it says. It obviously has my name and my class year and then the school that I went to and my degree, and it has this like really beautiful bandao, and it's just so vibrant and beautiful. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. It looks kind of pink, or on red, but it is like a bright pink color, which I absolutely love. Yay! This is what I have. Oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. It is currently 6 o'clock and I'm gonna go for a walk because it is quite beautiful outside. So let's go. I'm staying with my grandma this week, and I wanted to show you guys their animals. Look at these ducks. These are new. These are my aunt's new ducks. They're huge. And then we have these cuties. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And then they have a bunch of stuff over here. That I'm not going into that one because that one stinks and I probably won't be going too close to the pigs. But they have piggies. This will be my life for the next couple of days. I will be Farmer Ariel and I'm pretty excited. I haven't done this since I was like a little girl. But this is my grandma's farm. There is green onions. I think she just started planting these, but it's already sprouted. Gosh, look at how big these are. Yeah, I am not doing much. This is my last week of classes, so I need to catch up on some of my late assignments. Yes, your girl did not do well. Oh! These are my nails, but I totally forgot to film when she was doing my nails. She did such an amazing job. But yeah, these are my engagement nails, slash engagement photo nails slash grad nails. I'm walking this Saturday and it feels so surreal. I'm probably, yeah, I need to finish up some assignments and then probably try to see if I can find something to watch. We ate dinner already, so maybe I'll convince my grandma to go and get ice cream with me because ice cream sounds really good right now. Okay, good morning vlog. It is the next day and I'm starving, and when you're at your grandma's house there's always food. So I'm going to be making myself a plate because this girl is hungry. And I had to come and check on our friends that are incubating. My aunt is incubating some eggs. I believe some are ducks and some are quail eggs. So they're gonna be like this small when they hatch. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys the ones that are outside. I'll be quick because I'm starving. They're so cute and they're so small. I am not a farmer girl at all. This is like the cutest shit ever. You guys see them? Oh, I think they're sleeping. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Yeah, I think they're sleeping. So I'm going to fix myself a plate and I will check back with you guys later. I'm probably gonna help my grandma feed the piggies. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's literally just over there looking. You guys see her? She's so cute. She's that little human over there. Oh my gosh, my grandma's literally the cutest. But yeah, okay. Food was good. I've been listening to Abby Jimenez. She is a Minnesota author. I've been listening to Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez, and so far so good. I actually really like it. My friend on Instagram recommended it to me, so I've just been tuning into that. And yeah, oh gosh, it's chilly today. I'm gonna go see what my grandma is up to. Con mà lươn nhớ hồi lươn blue nữa. It's so sticky. After all the hard work, my grandma and I are at the store. My grandma and I are notorious for always shopping whenever we're together. She's literally where I get my shopping addiction from. My aunt's in Hawaii, so she's calling us and showing us stuff. Grandma, show mom.
Ma. Nhau chị sẽ ăn. No, nhau mà sổ là.
No, grandma, nhớ tờ chị à. Có grandma cho khủng đâu lên đâu bộ tán là.
No.
Hi friends, we're back from the store and I wanted to share haul. My grandma and I went to Marshall's. We got some hair clips. This is from my grandma. Basic, cute. Homegirl doesn't have any brushes, so I bought two because she doesn't want one, then I can have the other one. But I love these brushes, the detangling brushes. I have the unbrush and I've used these two and literally all the same. She got some trail mix for herself. More hair clips. These are mine. These are so cute and dainty. I am obsessed. I got shoes. I needed a pair to wear this weekend, and so I got these. They're like super cute basic nude pumps. And they're like square too, so I feel like these are perfect. If anything, I'll probably just wear flats, but I'm pretty sure these will be just fine for me to wear across the stage. So yay! I was a little nervous I wasn't gonna find anything. And I mean, I have a pair of white heels, but those kind of hurt, so I think I'll be going with these. Last from this bag is this beautiful blanket. It's so pretty. It's so springy. And it's just so adorable. I'm like obsessed. It has like the plaid in the back and then all the floral, and it's white. It's super soft. It's beautiful. So I absolutely love this. And then I got these Piper K earrings. Look at how cute these are. These are hoops, and they're like this really beautiful blue color with like the florals and hearts and everything like that. So I am obsessed. I got another bag. I got two-piece sets. This is just a white maxi skirt, perfect for the spring. It's like a tiered maxi skirt. I'm obsessed. I probably will be wearing this a lot this summer. Oh, I thought it had pockets, but no, it doesn't have pockets. And then with this came this really cute butter yellow vest. I am usually not a vest girly, but this yellow was totally screaming for me, so I think this fit will be adorable. And then the last things that I got another white vest. Surprise, surprise. Look at how cute this is, but it's like a different neckline. And this is from Song of Style by Amy Song. When I saw this, I was like, what the heck? That was so cool that it's at Marshall's. So I am very excited for this find. And it came with some basic linen trousers that I will most definitely be having my grandma hem for me, because these are obviously always too long. So yeah, I am super excited about the finds that I got, and the rest are just things for my grandmother. So yay, that is my haul. And yeah, grandma and I are probably going to eat dinner. We were gonna go on a ride on her little tricycle that she has, but it's pretty chilly today, so I don't think we're gonna do that. We'll probably do that tomorrow. And I'm rewatching a Thai drama. It is the Cupid series, and I'm watching it all the way from the beginning because I like absolutely love the series. So I'm doing that. And yeah, not much going on, but it's been really nice spending some quality time with my grandma. She's so funny. And yeah, all right, I will check back in with you guys later. Bye. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. I am on my way up to go eat some lunch. My grandma made us some pho, so I'm gonna eat and watch my Thai drama. We finished some work. My grandma hemmed my pants, and now we're gonna go feed the chicken and pigs. Farm life is not for me. I'm so excited to go back. To go back home. This is quite fun every now and then, but I could never. I can't. I cannot. Hi, Stinker! You guys are so cute.
She is so cute.
So I am going home. I'm super sad. I feel kind of bittersweet. We are on our way. I was gonna film, but it was so cold this morning. We fed all the pigs and chickens. She is staying another night at my house, so we gave them some extra love, extra food, and she'll be back tomorrow night with my sister. Since I am walking tomorrow, which is kind of insane. I cannot believe I am you know, graduating tomorrow. But yeah, so we will be going home. I'm gonna be doing some prep, need to try on some outfits, and then I need to go buy some shoes. Like, I need to go to Target today. And I'm probably gonna run to DSW and see if there's anything there that I like too. So that will be the day today. Hopefully I remember to film, but if not, I'll probably put some clips here and there. And hopefully tomorrow I can have either Junior or someone, maybe one of my siblings, film me in the ceremony and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, got to go.
Mine. Oh my god.
She's so cute.
Just accept your defeat. No, Mom got it. I believe in Mom. I don't.
Oh, that'd be crazy. Do it.
Ma.
No, she can. She can't.
No, yeah.
No. His piece was uneven to
手
begin
记
with.
得看这干嘛空着领图说
Yeah.
走呗
No, 走起来，走起来。
走一上对
Yep,
上
yep.
That's what Grandma's been doing.
No.
Wait, Mom, just let it steady out. Good. Leave it. Yeah.
不听啊
Oh, let's go.
No.
You don't want to smell my eggs.
不要啊
Come on.
Okay, ready, go.
That was the night before graduation. We just had a really long fun night with my family, and I'm just trying on my attire to make sure that I like how everything is looking. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna cry. Okay, it looks like I have a bald spot here. Okay, but literally, who made these hats and these gowns? Because they're so unflattering. But this is what it looks like. Oh gosh. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. It's like literally feeling real right now, and I know it's gonna feel even more real tomorrow. My heart is like beating so fast. Oh gosh. I think I'm gonna like curl my hair tonight and then let it kind of just like wave out tomorrow. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm super sad though because I have limited tickets, so I can't invite any and everybody. But I'm really excited for everyone that's coming tomorrow. And yeah, I can't believe it's happening. I'm feeling super emotional. I was already crying to June earlier, but yay! I did it. I freaking did it. Oh, crazy. Crazy. I wish you guys could see the whole fit. My bathroom is the only place that has really cute lighting. I'm probably gonna have to bobby pin this. Oh, I don't know. But yay! I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be up early. Probably gonna wake up like 7:30-ish to start getting ready. Give myself some time. I don't necessarily have to be there until 9. So maybe we'll be there by like 8:45 so that I can get in line and get everything. I'll try to vlog on my phone, just like my point of view, and then Junior said that he will take the reins to vlog me and my whole family and everything like that. So yay! I'm so I'm just so proud of myself. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, we finally made it. It was a stressful journey here in the morning, but everybody here made it. Can you guys say hi? Okay, what do you want to say to Ariel?
I'm very, very proud of you. Bye bye.
Grandma, có phải chị đâu chưa?
Dòng xa chăm plơ của tôi từ mình thành sinh chứ. Tốt lên đó hát hát lờ lơ. Dòng xa chăm plơ.
What do you want to say to your sister?
Happy graduation day. I totally won't fart in your face this time. Give me. Wait,
You can turn it around.
how? I don't think it's turned around. Hello? This is your favorite sister. And you're gonna make some more achievements. And I'm so proud of you. Go. God, off my face.
Hi, I'm very proud of you. Thank you for graduating, the first one in our family. Keep reaching for bigger dreams. I don't know how I'm saying this, but I'm very proud of you.
Hi beautiful, I am so proud of the person that you have become today. I know it was a very hard step and a lot of hard, long nights of doing homework and stuff like that, and we all just want you to know that we're very proud of you and that we love you a lot. Hi Lena, what do you want to say to Ariel?
Hi, honey. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you.
Momo, what do you want to say to Ariel?
Congratulations, you made it. She's gonna make big money and take us everywhere now. She's gonna have an island to ourselves called Mermaid Island.
I did it. I walked on and off that stage. Oh, it feels so freaking surreal. But now my family and I and one Angelina, we will be going to eat. We're gonna be eating Korean barbecue and hot pot. I'm so excited. I was totally rushing this morning. I did not wake up at the time that I was supposed to, so I didn't bring any clothes to change. So we're gonna stop by Plato's Closet to see if there's something that I can just quickly grab and wear for the time being, because I am in an all white dress and it is very, very cute, but not hot pot and Korean barbecue-esque, like not that style. So I'm so excited to go eat. I'm starving, but I was so emotional. I didn't cry. I thought I was going to, but I didn't. And yeah, I didn't cry, which I'm kind of proud of because of my makeup. I worked very hard on this makeup, okay? But yeah, I did it.
You did it.
I freaking did it. And then Junior's graduating in 2 weeks too. It is a very exciting month for the both of us. eating our food. There is a huge spread. And then my family is on the other side over there too.
I'm back home and I'm going back to my grandma's house. She's making dough tomorrow, so we're gonna go and help her and get like and just like spend the night with her. So
Look, you guys, they've gotten so big since the last time I've seen them. Oh god.
Trâu tơ á, nó lên trên tiếng gầu à. Oh. Oh. Oh, you got one? Grandma, go share.
Hello friends, it has been an eventful week. Junior got a new friend, so now that the weather's been a lot better, he finally fixed it up. He's over there and trying to figure out how to ride it, and I'm just chilling outside. It is beautiful. It is finally in like the 60s and 70s, and it's just been so nice to just be outside. We have this beautiful tree. Honestly, it's my favorite part of our house. Oh, yay, he got it! Oh gosh. Oh, and it died. Okay.
This is the one right here. They always say third time's a charm. Ready. Hold it in right here. Hi guys, we are going to go take some engagement photos. Let's see how this goes. I'm so excited.
You brought it?
What are we doing?
We're taking engagement photos today.
This is our photographer.
My bestie.
This is Mo.
Hold on for a moment. Slow, okay? Look at each other smile. Grandma, có muốn chị Hà chân Junior không?
Con sáng chủ nhà con chủ nhà đèn tới cho xong nó luôn xong nó không chỉ này vậy
아빠는 거지.
아빠는 거지 로 또 con chủ nhà luôn party
Graduation.
Congrats, and I hope you do great things.
Aww. Keon,
What did I say to Uncle Junior?
what would you like to say to Uncle Junior?
Come closer and say it.
Say it right in the camera.
do something like
Build your car.
to play with the car.
Yes, Uncle Junior will help play
And
with the
play
car.
and play games on my phone or tablet.
Okay. High five. Yeah.
Junior, I always know that you can do it. The moment you put your nose to something, you get it done. It's about time. For Junior, congrats, bro. You made it. We're gonna finally open up that shop we were talking about, bro. Full world.
We're still waiting for Mom and Dylan.
One of my buddies.
But yay! So excited for you. Say congratulations, Uncle.
Congratulations, Uncle.
We're so excited for you, and we can't wait for you to walk across the stage.
Good job. Good job. That's all you gotta say. Oh, and
Congrats, my Maybao. Congratulations.
咪bảo我 Congratulations! Now you're gonna make some money now. We're gonna be rich.
Congratulations.
You guys are so awkward. Oh, my sugar daddy now.
Oh, y'all good. Time to be my sugar daddy, okay?
Faith Francis. Tony W.
Junior Tao.
How do you feel?
Accomplished.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Hello friends! I just wanted to hop in and close the vlog. I literally can't believe it's been an entire month. This vlog, I just kept filming and then I was like, okay, I'll edit and then I'll post. And then I was just kind of like over it because we had a very busy month this month. On top of both of us graduating, we had a couple events that I did not vlog just for privacy reasons and, you know, obviously just wanting to spend quality time with family. But yeah, it's just been super busy the past couple weeks, and so I decided to kind of just lump the entire month together. So let me know how you guys feel about this long form of content and the vlogs and everything like that. I do miss posting weekly just because I feel like it's more consistent and more fun, but as I was like watching through and editing this vlog, I was like, oh, like the long vlogs are actually really fun. And also, please don't mind the pimple patches. Your girl is, her face is going through it. I need to schedule a facial like ASAP. But yeah, I just wanted to hop in and end the vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. This summer is going to be super busy and I don't think I'm ready for it. Junior and I already kind of have a glimpse of what's going to be happening in the next couple months here, but yeah, I just know that I will probably be vlogging a lot this summer, so hopefully you guys will be tuning in more often. And yeah, I just want to say again, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment what your favorite part was, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!